Hello, this is a tutorial from LKS ASE on applying limits using MEDLINE from EBSCO as an example. To be able to demonstrate applying limits, I'm going to do a quick search on paramedic and decision making. You'll see below the screen are the limits that you can use to apply to your search. So for example, you can set the publication range, in this instance from 2010 to 2021. We can select English language, and we can select only records that have abstracts. If we then do our search, you see in the search results the limits have been applied: date, abstract only, and English language. If you look on the left-hand side of the screen, you can select or unselect limits. You can also, using the slider, change the date range. If you choose Show More, you go back to the main limits page and you can see the other limits that are possible, including things like age and sex and type of publication and type of research. In this instance, I'm going to reset the limits to 0 and rerun the search so that you can see what the effect of applying limits was. And you can see that instead of 114 records in the original search, without limits, we get 177 records. And so limits is a strategy for narrowing your search. If you would like to contact LKS ASE, email us at library@nwas.nhs.uk.